Most training companies will offer a cookie cutter program. They'll give you something off the shelf, they'll slap your logo on it, and they call it yours. If your salespeople are operating without a selling system, you're missing sales. You are losing money. What we do at C2 is different. We get into a company, we learn their nomenclature, we understand their product, we learn why people buy their product and who buys it. We talk to everybody throughout that organization so we can understand what is important to them. Once we do that, now we can build a system that makes sense. We build training programs that salespeople buy into. We know that a training program that works starts with a live training. For over 20 years, we have been developing programs for companies. Our clients include some of the largest companies in the world, like Home Depot and Lowe's. And our reviews and our testimonials prove that our programs work. We break programs into multiple phases. One of those phases starts off with a live training event where we bring in all the salespeople from around the country, we put them all in a room, and for 1 or 2 days, we teach them all the new concepts and the new program for the company. We follow that up in phase 2 with live coaching events, 6 to 8 weeks of coaching small groups where we reinforce all the different things that they learned in class. Then phase 3 could include video modules, where we then build out modules that are fully customized for the company to not only be able to teach and train the folks that came through the training, but for all the new hires and when you have turnover. If you need a program, if you need a process, give us a call. We'd love to sit down and talk, and we'd love to build a custom program for you.